Let's implement these functions. We have cosine wave, and I have negative peak value of my current. This is my I peak minus 5. This is my omega. Period is equal 2 pi over omega. I peak is equal minus 5 amps in this case, because we talk about the current and I have no milli. That's why this is amp. Now we're supposed to draw the wave. And because I have negative sign, I'm going to start from the bottom. And I have, this is one cycle. And this is the second cycle. This is 0. Y-axis represents the current in amps. This is my peak value, minus 5, negative peak. This is my positive peak, 5 amps. My period is the time required to finish one full cycle. This is my one full cycle. Remember, the cycle is this part of the wave which constantly repeats. So this is my period. T is equal 2 pi over omega. I got 2 pi over omega because I do not have any numerical value of my omega. So this is the period, I peak, and I got 2 cycles. This is the solution to my problem. If you are going to look at this example, I have minus sine omega t. Remember, anytime I do not have any numerical integer, there is always invisible 1 over here. So my voltage peak is equal negative 1 volt. And my period is 2 pi over omega, because omega is not expressed in the numerical form. Now I can draw the sine wave. Because my voltage is negative, I'm going to start from the bottom. This is one cycle. This is second cycle. Voltage peak, negative voltage peak is minus 1. And this is my y-axis, which is scaled in volts. And this is my positive voltage peak. My period T is equal to 2 pi over omega. Remember, the period is the time required to finish one full cycle, and one full cycle is the part of the wave which constantly repeats. And remember, the x-axis is my time. Okay, in seconds. I measure the time in seconds. We got the period, we get peak values, we have 2 cycles. This is the solution to my problem.